how to change primary market on Shopify. So here's what you want to do. Load up your store and click on settings in the bottom left corner. From here, we will go into markets. Just click on markets, and then you want to add a new market. So for example, I will do chat here because I like the name, and you want to click on add market. You got to create a name, so I'll just create the name and add market. Now, once you have added the market itself, make sure it is set to active. It is going to be inactive. You want to set this to active. And if we go back into the settings and markets, here you will see your current market. Click on the market itself that you just created. Then you want to click on more actions and then make primary market. Any changes you made to currency, language, and catalogs will be retained. If you click on confirm, this is going to change your primary market on Shopify. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.